Good morning, students. Welcome to Jupiter online class. In the last class, we had discussed logarithmic differentiation and do some problems. But today we will discuss differentiation of implicit function. So before coming to our topic, first we have to know what do mean by implicit function. A relation or a function which is in the form of f of x comma y which is equal to 0, that means x and y, these two variable which is present in the function, and the function which is in the form of f of xy which is equal to 0, in which y is not expressible directly in terms of x. Jemti ame aguru nei jautile y is equal to f of x, then derivative, but here you see both x and y present in the function. That means here y is not directly in terms of x. এই case রে আমি जो function টা আসিथिबो সেই जो function, that function we call it as a implicit function. In such cases केमती आमे dy by dx करिवा. Now we have to differentiate both the side with respect to x. Here you see, all of you, differentiation of implicit function. Here you see an equation of the form f of xy equal to 0 in which y is not expressible directly in terms of x is known as implicit function of x and y. Here you see, suppose the function which is in the form of f of xy which is equal to 0, that means suppose the function is x square. Here you see f of xy is equal to 0, that means x square plus y square plus 1 which is equal to 0. Here you see, here that f of xy means the function which is in the form of both x and y, x square plus y square plus 1 is equal to 0. This is a what? Implicit function. So we have to differentiate this function, differentiation of this function. ताले এই case रे हमें कौन करिवा? Now we have to to find dy by dx here. In such case we differentiate both the sides of the given relation with respect to x. हमें this side रे derivative नबा with respect to x, ताहले जाई करी हमें कौन पाइबा ना dy by dx. मन रखि दिबो एठी आउ डायरेक्ट y नहीं, y थिला बेले हमें डायरेक्ट differentiating both the side with respect to x कर दोउतले dy by dx पाई जाउतले. But here you see both x and y present in the function, therefore it is known as implicit function. Our main aim is we have to differentiate the implicit function. So I will take one or two example so that you can understand it better. देखो मु गोटे दिटा example नउची. First case, number 1 question, find dy by dx if x square plus y square plus 3axy which is equal to 0. Here you see, all of you, this is the equation or this is the relation which is in the form of f of xy which is equal to 0, both x and y present in the function. Such type of relation or such type of function we call it as a implicit function. A function ta ei jo part ta achi, this is an implicit function. If this equal to 0 ताले हमें गोटे equation de पाई गले x square plus y आउ एइथरे आउ y नै जीवनी. देखो एडी कोन गिवन रिलेशन देला, गिवन x square plus y square plus 3axy equal to 0. All of you listen, एठी आउ थरे y या को नै जीवनी, y equal to, देखो एठी y अछि आउ एथरे हमें y नबानी. So this is an implicit function. एटा हमरो implicit function दे, एटा equal to कोन रही, it is equal to 0. ताले फर्स्ट काम होला हमरो कोन, we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Here you can write this as a differentiating both the sides with respect to x. देखो এই भलिया फॉर्मेट रे टिके लक्ष्य करथुबो. ताले एबे मु केमते लेखिली देख d by dx of x square plus y square plus 3axy which is equal to right hand side is d by dx of 0, this equal to what? This value is 0. So we have to differentiate. Here you see d by dx of x square plus second case is what? d by dx of y square plus, and the third case is here you see 3axy. Here 3a is the constant one, taking outside d by dx of what? xy which is equal to 0. देखो এই জিনিস গুড়াক সদালে লক্ষ্য রাখুথিব। দিস ইজ ইমপ্লিসিট, এই রিলেশনটা কোউথরে অছি? ইমপ্লিসিট ফর্ম রে অছি। দিস ইজ ইমপ্লিসিট ফাংশন, দিস পার্ট ইজ দ্য ইমপ্লিসিট ফাংশন। এইকু আউ থরে আমি y নবানি, এই ফরম্যাটরে আমি ডেরিভেটিভ করলে। হিয়ার ইউ সি d by dx of x square, we know that d by dx of x square is 2x dear, plus here you see d by dx of y square, this is the important part, d by dx of y square, so which is in the form of d by dx of fx to the power n. Here fx is equal to y. Here that means what will be the derivative? 2 into y to the power n minus 1 means 2 minus 1 is 1 into d by dx of fx. Here fx is what? Y. So we can write this as a dy by dx. Very important part dear. যেতବେଳେ দেখুথিব এটি y আসিলা with respect to x, এই যে dy by dx কু ছাড়িব নাহি। Here what will be the derivative? 2y into dy by dx. Same case here, plus 3a into d by dx of x into y. This is the product of two functions, x and y. X be the first function, so x into derivative of y is dy by dx. d by dx of y is dy by dx, plus second function is y into d by dx of what? X. This value is equal to 0. Next step, here you see 2x plus 2y into dy by dx plus 3a into x into dy by dx is what? 3x dy by dx. Again plus, here you see d by dx of x is 1, rest is what? 3ay equal to 0. Our main aim is we have to find dy by dx. Therefore taking dy by dx गोटे साइड रे रखिलो and other गुडा को आउज रेस्ट पार्ट को राइट हैंड साइड को नहीं गलो. So you can write this as a 2y dy by dx plus 3ax dy by dx which is equal to minus 2x minus 3ay. From these two terms, taking out common as a dy by dx, rest is what? 2y plus 3ax. Again from the right hand side, from these two terms, taking out common as minus 1, rest is 2x plus 3ay. Then dy by dx is equal to what? Then dy by dx is equal to, first you write here minus 2x plus 3ay divided by 2y plus 3ax. So this value is equal to what? dy by dx. Very important part. देखु तो केंदे होची एई केस रे आउ y नै जीवनी. एईटा ही पिला भूल करंदी. रिलेशन रे x y बोथ अछि y आउ ताकू आउ थरे y नबो नाही. This is the important one. Next question, very important question all of you. See the second question given. X to the power y which is equal to y to the power x. Here you see both x and y which is present in the function. आउ थरे y नहीं जीवनी एठी both y भी अच्छी एठी y अच्छी ए फंक्शन रे. Therefore first we have to simplify this function. जदि एई भलिया फॉर्मेट रे थाए केंदी हमें सिंपलीफाई करथिले केंदी करथिले ता प्रीवियस चैप्टर रे हमें पढी चंदी. Taking log on both the side, if the function to the power function, if it is in the form of fx to the power gx रे थिला बेले taking log on both the side for simplification. Same case here, if you will taking logarithm on both the sides, taking logarithm on both sides, here you see log x to the power y which is equal to log y to the power x. So you can write this as a ताकू हमें केते लिखि परिबा ठीक देखो this equal to what y log x. Here you see we know that log a to the power b is equal to what b log a. So you can write this as a y log x equal to x log y. Okay, so this is in the form of f of xy which is equal to 0. Here you see y log x minus x log y equal to 0 and the left hand side is f of xy. Both x and y present in the function. आउ एई जगह रे आउ थरे दिस इक्वल टू y बोली नै जीवनी এই জায়গায় পিলা ভুল করে দিয়ন্তি এটি আর y নবনি অলরেডি এটি প্রেজেন্ট আছে আওয়ার মেন এম ইজ উই হ্যাভ টু ফাইন্ড dy by dx therefore you differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Here you see differentiating both the sides with respect to x. What will be the left hand side? d by dx of y log x which is equal to d by dx of x log y. Here you see the left hand side is the product of two functions. First one is y and the second one is what? Log x. So we have to differentiate this function y log x by using product rule. Then what will be the differentiation? First function is y into d by dx of here you write log x plus second function is what? Log x into d by dx of y. So d by dx of y which is equal to what? dy by dx. ସେଇଟା को भूलिबनी y with respect to x derivative is dy by dx. This part is dy by dx. Same case here in the right hand side d by dx of x into log y. X be the first function and log y be the second function. So you can write this as x into d by dx of 1 log y plus log y into d by dx of what? X. Here you see all of you this part is y, d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. So you can write this as a what? Y by x plus log x into dy by dx equal to x into all of you see this one d by dx of log y again which is in the form of d by dx of log of fx. Here fx is what? Y. You remember or you remember this chain rule formula d by dx of f of x. All of you remember these formulas d by dx of log of fx 1 by fx into d by dx of fx. So this can be written as what? 1 by y into d by dx of what? Y. d by dx of y is what? dy by dx. This is the important part. Plus log y into d by dx of x is what? 1 देखो यही पार्टा हूँ क्वेश्चन इंपोर्टेंट y विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x यही जगह को भूलिबो नहीं log y इज डेरिवेटिव विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x इज 1 by y into dy by dx एबे देखो taking dy by dx taking one side therefore here we can write this as a log x into dy by dx minus x by y into dy by dx equal to log y minus here you see log y minus y by x. From the left hand side taking out common as dy by dx rest is dy by dx into first one is log x minus x by y. In the right hand side is what? This equal to log y minus y by x. Here you see. So dy by dx into taking LCM as y. Here you see. Taking LCM as y. Then this equal to y log x minus x. Again in the right hand side taking LCM as x. X log y minus y. So we have to find what? dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx is equal to what? Y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. So you can write this as a y into x log y minus y by x into y log x minus x. So this equal to what? dy by dx. Very important question. देखुथिबो कोई जगह रे हमें केमदी सॉल्व करूचंती. I have written some question from your exercise 7G. Okay, I will solve one by one. All of you see. First question is what? Find dy by dx if x y square plus x square y plus 1 which is equal to 0. All of you see exercise 7G. Question number 1. First here you write given x y square plus x square y plus 1 equal to 0. So this is an implicit function. देखो first आउ थरे भी कहली आको आउ थरे y equal to नहीं जीवनी. This is an implicit function. Both y and x present in the function. So our main aim is we have to differentiate both the sides. Here you see differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Then what will be the left hand side? d by dx of x y square x square y plus 1 is equal to right hand side is equal to what? d by dx of 0 is 0. So here you can write this as a d by dx of x y square. Second case is d plus d by dx of x square y. Third one is d by dx of 1 which is equal to 0. Here you see this is the again the product of two function. So you use the product formula here. First function is x into d by dx of y square plus y square into d by dx of x. भूलिबो नहीं. This is the product formula. So you use the product formula. First function derivative of second function plus second function into derivative of first function plus here you see x square be the first function and y be the second function. So you can write this as a x square into d by dx of y. d by dx of y is what? dy by dx plus y into d by dx of x square second function into derivative of first function. Here you see d by dx of 1, this is the constant one, and the derivative of constant function is 0. This value is equal to what? 0. Again here you see dear, x into, I have already explained you, this is y. d by dx of y square, again which is in the form of d by dx of fx rho square. Here fx is y, therefore we can write this as a y square derivative is what? 2y, 2 into y to the power 2 minus 1 into d by dx of again fx, that means d by dx of y, and this is what? dy by dx. A step गुड़ाक छाड़िबो नहीं. This is the important one. And the second case is plus y square. d by dx of x is 1. Rest is plus x square dy by dx plus, here you see all of you, y into d by dx of x square is what? 2x. So you can write this as a 2xy equal to 0. So taking dy by dx in one side and other term to the right hand side, here you can write this as a 2xy into dy by dx plus x square dy by dx, which is equal to, here you see, minus y square minus 2xy. Again from the left hand side, taking out LCM as dy by dx, rest is 2xy plus x square, 2xy plus x square equal to, here you see the right hand side, minus y square minus 2xy. From these two terms, taking out common as minus, rest is y square plus 2xy. So dy by dx is equal to what? dy by dx, which is equal to minus of y square plus 2xy divided by 2xy plus x square. This value is equal to what? dy by dx. Next you see the question number 2. Question number 2 is what? Given x to the power half into y to the power minus half plus x to the power 3 by 2 into y to the power minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. X to the power 1 by 2, y to the power minus 1 by 2 plus x to the power 3 by 2, y to the power minus 3 by 2 equal to 0. No doubt this is an implicit function. तुम या डायरेक्टली डेरिवेटिव करि परिबो, बट डायरेक्टली डेरिवेटिव करके कला को टिके बड़ हो जीवो, सो दैट एई जगह रे पर्टिकुलर ए जो फ्रैक्शन रे अछि पावर गुडा को आको टिके हमें सिंपलीफाई कर दबा, सो दैट हमको डेरिवेट करिया को इजियर हो जीवो. हियर यू सी ऑल ऑफ यू, x to the power half, y to the power minus half, which is equal to minus x to the power 3 by 2, y to the power minus 3 by 2. Here you see again, taking y in one side, so y to the power minus 1 by 2 by y to the power minus 3 by 2 here, which is equal to minus x to the power 3 by 2 divided by x to the power 1 by 2. Or we can write this as a y to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Here you see y to the power minus half divided by y to the power minus 3 by 2. That can be written as what? Y to the power minus 1 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is equal to minus x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. Here you see all of you see LCM is 2, minus 1 plus 3 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1, therefore this value is equal to what? Y which is equal to minus, here you see x to the power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 2. What will the LCM? 2. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 by 2 is 1. This value is equal to what? x. So y is equal to minus x. Here you write equation number 1. If you differentiate both the sides with respect to x, then what will be the left hand side? dy by dx is equal to minus taking outside d by dx of what? X. This is the easiest way. देखो इजिएस्ट फॉर्म को आसीगला. सो dy by we have to differentiate both the side with respect to x. What will be the left hand side? dy by dx equal to minus d by dx of x. Y is equal to minus x. So dy by dx is equal to minus d by dx of x. Here you see dy by dx is equal to minus of d by dx of x is 1. Therefore this value is equal to minus 1. dy by dx is equal to, all of you see the equation number 1, y which is equal to minus x from 1, y which is equal to minus x. So you can write this as a y by x which is equal to what? Minus 1. Therefore instead of minus 1 we can write this as a y by x. Therefore dy by dx is equal to y by x, dear. Next question, question number 4. Y square cot x is equal to x square cot y. All of you see question number 4. Given y square cot x equal to x square cot y. Again here you see the function, this function is an implicit function. So here you see both x and y present in the function. So we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. Therefore we can write this as a differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Here you see d by dx of y square cot x. Here you see d by dx of y square cot x equal to d by dx of x square cot y. Again in the left hand side here you see this is the function of two function. Here you see this is the product of two function. Here first function be y square and second function is cot x. So we have to use the product formula. Therefore we can write this as a first function is y square into d by dx of cot x, again plus second function is cot x. So you can write this as a cot x into d by dx of y square. In the right hand side is d by dx of x square cot y, again which is in the form of product of two functions. So you can write this as a x square into d by dx of cot y plus cot y into d by dx of what? X square. So here we can write this as a y square into d by dx of cot x is what? Minus cos x square x. So you can write this as a minus y square cos x square x. Here you see plus cot x. Here you see d by dx of y square. I have already explained you dear. D by dx of y square is what? 2y into, directly we can write 2y into dy by dx. This is the important part. Is equal to, here you again you see x square into d by dx of cot y. So which is again in the form of d by dx of cot of fx. We know that d by dx of cot of fx is equal to minus cos x square fx into d by dx of fx. Here fx is equal to y. So you can write this as a x square cos x square y into dy by dx. Here you see d by dx of y, very important step. ये part को छाड़िबो नहीं, plus Here you see cot y into d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square is what? 2x. So you can write this as a 2x into cot y. Here you see taking dy by dx to one side. Therefore we can write this as a this equal to what? 2y cot x dy by dx plus here you see this value is minus x square cos x square y dy by dx. So plus x square cos x square y dy by dx equal to what? 2x cot y plus y square cos x square x dear. Again from the left hand side taking out LCM, taking out common edge from the left hand side, taking out common edge what? Dy by dx. Rest is what? 2y into cot x plus x square into cos x square y, and the right hand side is equal to what? 2x cot y plus y square cos x square x. So dy by dx is equal to dy by dx equal to 2x cot y plus y square cos x y square cos x square x by 2y cot x plus x square cos x square y. very important question. এই স্টেপ গুড়াক টিকে লক্ষ্য করুথিব কারণ সাধারণতঃ এই dy by dx को आमे मिस कर जांती. सो এই पार्ट गुडा टिके लक्ष्य कले आमे सबु क्वेश्चन सीरियली करि परिबा. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑल ऑफ यू सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5. हियर यू सी x which is equal to y into ln xy. Again all of you see this is an implicit function, both x and y which is present in the function. So we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to what? X. So here you can write this as a d by dx of what? X which is equal to d by dx of y into ln xy. So what will be the left hand side here? Left hand side is equal to d by dx of x is 1. Then the right hand side is the product of two functions. Here first function is y and the second function is ln xy. So first function d by dx of ln xy plus ln xy. Here you see derivative of the first function d by dx of y is what? Dy by dx. Very important part here. Here you see then y which is equal to y into d by dx of ln xy. Again here you see d by dx of ln f of x. Here you see this is also a function of x and y, both xy. So that can be written as 1 by xy. Here you see here f of x is xy. So 1 by xy into d by dx of what? Xy. Very important part. D by dx of ln xy is equal to what? 1 by xy into d by dx of xy plus ln xy into dy by dx. Or we can write this as a 1 which is equal to, all of you see y, this y cancel. If you multiply these two, y and this y cancel. Rest is what? 1 by x into, here you see d by dx of xy. Again xy is the product of two functions. So you can write this as a first function is x. D by dx of y is dy by dx plus y into d by dx of what? X dear plus ln xy into dy by dx. Here you see, so 1 which is equal to multiplying 1 by x into x into dy by dx, which is x cancel, rest is dy by dx, plus 1 by x into y is y by x, okay, and the d by dx of x is what? 1, and the rest is ln xy into dy by dx. So taking dy by dx in one side, therefore here we can write this as a 1 minus y by x, which is equal to dy by dx plus ln xy into dy by dx. So you can write this as a what? In the left hand side here you see 1 minus y by x. So you can write this as a, what will the LCM? X, rest is x minus y equal to, what will the right hand side? From these two terms taking out common as dy by dx into what? 1 plus ln xy. Here you see all of you. Then x minus y divided by x into 1 plus ln xy, which is equal to what? dy by dx, or we can write this as a dy by dx is equal to x minus y by x into 1 plus ln x y. We can write this dy by dx is equal to x minus y by x into 1 plus ln x y. Next question, very important question dear. ये क्वेश्चन टी काउंसिल एग्जाम रे प्राय समय भी पड़ी केमती क्वेश्चन टाक दे था ये क्वेश्चन देख ये क्वेश्चन आमको क्वेश्चन दिखाई फाइंड dy by dx if ln square root of x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by x. बट क्वेश्चन ने थर थर एमती पड़ी था ये क्वेश्चन if ln square root of x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by x, then prove that dy by dx is equal to x plus y by x minus 1. Very important question all of you. So you see question number 8. Question is question number 8, very important question. Given ln square root of x square plus y square, which is equal to tan inverse y by x, or we can write this as a out के simplify करदबा ताले what will be the value? ln x square plus y square whole to the power half. We can write this as a, instead of square root of x square plus y square, we can write this as a x square plus y square whole to the power half, which is equal to tan inverse y by x. So this equal to again, which is in the form of ln a to the power b. So that can be written as 1 by 2 ln x square plus y square is equal to tan inverse y by x. So this is an implicit function. आपको आउ थोरे y नबो नहीं, बारंबार repeat करूची. So this is an implicit function. So we have to differentiate both the sides with respect to x. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Here you see 1 by 2 taking outside, d by dx of ln x square plus y square. Again this part is d by dx of tan inverse y by x. Here you see d by dx of ln x square plus y square. देखो यही भलिया फॉर्म रहला हम चेन रूल रे पढ़ी थिले ताल दैट कैन बी रिटन एज व्हाट 1 by 2 into d by dx of ln x square plus y square is 1 by x square plus y square into d by dx of, very important part, d by dx of what? X square plus y square. Here you see this part in the form of what? F of x comma y. So we know that 1 by this into d by dx of x square plus y square. Again in the right hand side here you see tan inverse. We know that tan inverse d by dx of tan inverse f of x is what? 1 by 1 plus fx rho square into d by dx of fx. We know, therefore here we can write this as a 1 by 1 plus what? Y by x rho whole square. Y by x whole square is what? Y square by x square into d by dx of y by x. This part be the important part. এই part को छाड़िबो नाही, एठी এই part को छाड़िबो नाही, भूल हे जिवो. Next is this equal to 1 by 2 into x square plus y square into, here you see all of you, d by dx of x square. D by dx of x square is what? 2x dear plus d by dx of y square. Again d by dx of y square, again which is in the form of d by dx of fx rho square. So d by dx of y square is what? 2y into dy by dx. A very important part. Next here you see 1 by 1 plus y square by x square can be written as, what will be the LCM? X square. So this value is x square plus y square. Again here you see into d by dx of y by x. This is the division of two functions. Y be the first function and x be the second function. So here we have to use the quotient formula. What will the quotient formula? Second function square into numerator is what? Second function into derivative of first function. So derivative of first function is d by dx of y. So that can be written as dy by dx. Then y into d by dx of what? X. Okay. Next step here you see. From these two terms dear, here you see 2x plus 2y dy by dx. From these two terms, taking out common as a 2, rest is what? X plus y dy by dx divided by 2 into x square plus y square. What will be the right hand side here you see? 1 divided by x square plus y square by x square can be written as x square by x square plus y square. We can write like this into x dy by dx minus, here you see d by dx of x is 1. What will the value? This equal to y by x square. All of you see this part? X square cancel. Here you see 2 cancel and x square plus y square. X square plus y square cancel. Rest is x plus y dy by dx, which is equal to, what will be the right hand side? X dy by dx minus y. Here you see. So you can write this as a x minus y, taking in the left hand side, this is x plus y, and y dy by dx taking to the right hand side, this equal to what? Dx dy by dx minus y dy by dx. So this equal to what? X plus y equal to. See the right hand side? From these two terms, taking out common as dy by dx, rest is what? X minus y dear. So we have to find dy by dx. So here you see x plus y by x minus y, which is equal to dy by dx. Or we can write this as a, here you see, dy by dx, which is equal to x plus y divided by x minus y. very very important question. मु जो कथा तुमको कहली थर थर को प्रूफ करिया को पड़े. so dy by dx is equal to what? x plus y by x minus y. here you see the question number 9. this is also an important question. सेही question टा भी हमरो काउंसिल रे पड़ी छि भी. question number 9. here you see given y to the power x which is equal to x to the power y. देखो दिस इज एन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन. आपको आउ थरे y नबा नहीं. एबे देखो देखो हमें केमती सिंप्लीफाई फर्स्ट रे करबा. देखो एबे y to the power x to the power y फंक्शन to the power फंक्शन रे अछि. तले फर्स्ट स्टेप ताको हमें सिंप्लीफाई करबा पई टेकिंग लॉगरिथम ऑन बोथ दी साइड. दी साइड रे हमें लॉग नेले से सिंप्लीफाई हे जिवो. ता परे हमें डिफरेंशिएट करिबा. एबे देखो फर्स्ट देखो एई बलिया फॉर्म को सदाले लक्ष्य करथिबो. मु गोटे एग्जांपल रे भी करथिली x टू द पावर y इक्वल टू y टू द पावर x. एई बलिया फॉर्म रे थिले फर्स्ट ताको सिंप्लीफाई करिवो बाय यूजिंग लॉगरिथम. सो टेकिंग लॉगरिथम ऑन बोथ दी साइड्स. टेकिंग लॉगरिथम on both the sides. What will the left hand side? Log y to the power x is equal to log x to the power sin y. Either you take log or you take ln. Instead of log we can write this as a ln. So this is equal to what? X into log y which is equal to sin y into log x. We know the formula. Log a to the power b is b log a. Same case, log a to the power b is b log a. Then this is an implicit function. So you have to differentiate this function with respect to x. So differentiating both the sides with respect to x. So d by dx of x log y which is equal to d by dx of sin y into log x. Here you see the left hand side. This is the product of two functions. Here first function is x and second function is log y. So x into d by dx of देखो जोठी y आसुथुबो सेठी with respect to x बेले dy by dx into एक रहिबो ताको भूलिबो नाही प्लस log y into d by dx of what? X. Again in the right hand side here you see sin y be the first function, d by dx of what? Log x plus log x into d by dx of sin y. So you can write this as a x into here you see d by dx of log y. मु बारंबार कहितले जोटी y आसीबो सेठी dy by dx को भूलिबो नाही इनटू हेकी रहिबो. देखो log y. So you can write this as a 1 by y into dy by dx. Directly you can write this as a dy by dx plus log y d by dx of x is what? 1. What will be the right hand side then? Sin y. Here you see d by dx of log x. d by dx of log x is what? 1 by x. Again in the right hand side here you see the second term log x into d by dx of sin y. देखो sin y with respect to x. एई जगह रे पुणी भूलिबनी कोन ए फार्मूला आसिला d by dx of sin of fx. First term is cos of fx. Here fx is y. So cos y into d by dx of y and that is dy by dx. आपको भूलिबो नाही. This is the very important part. एई जो dy by dx एई जो dy by dx. So dy by dx taking one side x by y dy by dx minus log x into cos y dy by dx which is equal to sin y by x minus log y. From the left hand side taking out common as dy by dx, rest is what? X by y minus log x into cos y. Similarly, in the right hand side, what? Sin y by x minus log y. Here you see, all of you. So dy by dx into, from these two terms, taking out LCM as y. So you can write this as x minus y log x into cos y equal to, in the right hand side, what will be the LCM? LCM is equal to x. So sin y minus x log y. So we have to find our main image, we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to y into, here you see, y into sin y minus x log y divided by x into x minus y log x into cos y, dear. This is the important question. बुझिपाल आ जगुथब सदाबले y विथ रेस्पेक्ट टू x बेले जनरली पिला माने ए dy by dx को भूली जानती, ए dy by dx को भूली जानती, से गुडा टिके नजर करथबो. लास्ट क्वेश्चन, एंड दिस इज आल्सो एन इंपोर्टेंट क्वेश्चन डियर. ये क्वेश्चन भी तुमरो एग्जाम रे पढ़ी छी भी प्रीवियस ईयर रे. देखो लास्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. व्हाट इज द गिवन? गिवन कंडीशन इज व्हाट? गिवन sin x plus y, which is equal to what? Y cos x plus y. So we have to prove that what? Dy by dx is equal to minus 1 plus y square by y square. All of you see this question, important question. Here you see, here angle is x plus y, but here this angle is x plus y. So you can write this as a, here you see all of you, sin x plus y divided by, here all of you see, sin x plus y divided by cos x plus y, which is equal to suppose y. So we know that sin x divided by cos x is equal to what? This equal to, dear, tan x. So here you see sin x plus y by cos x plus y. So you can write this as a tan x plus y, which is equal to y. आगे तक टिके सिंप्लीफाई कर देबो. डायरेक्ट आमे इठु भी डेरिवेटिव करि पारि थांते, सेतरे बड़ होई जिवो. टिके सिंप्लीफाई कर देले आमे सहज रे प्रूव कर दे परिबा. सेति गला इंपोर्टेंट. जे दुटा 4 मार्क क्वेश्चन हम टाइम भी सेव होई जिवो. आमे कोन एइठु डायरेक्ट कोन डेरिवेटिव करि पार न थांते कि दिस इज एन इम्प्लिसिट फंक्शन. कले भी आमे करि परिबा, बट सेतरे बड़ होई जिवो. हियर यू सी tan x plus y is equal to y. So you can write this as a x plus y is equal to what? Tan inverse y. So this is an implicit function, dear. So here you see differentiating both the sides with respect to x. Our main aim is we have to find dy by dx. So d by dx of x plus y, which is equal to d by dx of what? Tan inverse y. All of you see, this value is d by dx of x, and this value is plus d by dx of y. And d by dx of y can be written as dy by dx. And the right hand side, all of you see, d by dx of tan inverse y. So which is in the form of d by dx of tan inverse f of x. So this is equal to 1 by 1 plus fx square into d by dx of f of x. So you can write this as a 1 by 1 plus, here fx is what? Y. So 1 by 1 plus y square into d by dx of fx. So d by dx of y. So d by dx of y is what? dy by dx. देखो एटा very important part. एटा को देखु दाओ. एठी dy by dx छाड़िबो नाही. So एबे देखो d by dx of x is 1 plus dy by dx equal to 1 by 1 plus y square into what? dy by dx. So taking dy by dx to one side, देखो dy by dx को हमें गोटे पटू को नबा ताले बे कोण आसी लक्ष्य करो dy by dx minus 1 by 1 plus y square into dy by dx which is equal to minus 1. From the left hand side taking common as dy by dx, rest is what? dy by dx into 1 minus 1 by 1 plus y square equal to minus 1. ହେଲା ଏବେ ଦେଖ dy by dx into from these two terms what will be the LCM dear? LCM is 1 plus y square, so you can write this as a 1 plus y square minus 1 which is equal to minus 1. Here you see plus 1 minus 1 cancel, rest is dy by dx into y square by 1 plus y square which is equal to minus 1. So we have to find our main aim, we have to find dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to what? Minus into 1 plus y square divided by what? Y square. देखो आगु 1 plus y square into minus 1 divided by y square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 1 plus y square divided by y square. Very very important question. This is all about your exercise question, exercise 7G question. In the next class I will solve some more question so that you understand the differentiation of implicit function better. बुझी पारला समझते? Okay all of you, thank you.